In this video, I will show you how to get a good deal at Sam's Club by setting up the PriceLasso price tracker. PriceLasso shows you historical prices at Sam's Club with price history and also sends you email alerts when the Sam's Club price drops below the amount you want. By waiting a few weeks, you can often save money at Sam's Club and also avoid missing sales. To start price tracking, just sign up for free with PriceLasso, add our extension, and then go to any Sam's Club product page. I chose this Members Mark trash bags, and all you have to do is click the green button to add a price alert. You can see your alerts on our dashboard, and you can also see price history. You can edit the alert price to any value you want, and you'll get an email when the price drops below that amount. In addition to Sam's Club, PriceLasso also can track prices at other large stores like Amazon, Walmart, Costco, and many more. It also works across other browsers, including Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and even Safari on iPhone.